So guys, yes, Adani Port, it's a very volatile stock and today we are taking a trade on it. It's a buy trade what I've taken now. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, today is 28th of June and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page. So here you can see the Nifty is opening with making a new high. Okay, this I said on Saturday itself in my video which I made. So if you're not yet watched that, you can go and check it. Advances stocks are 43, declines are 3 and unchanged is 4 stocks. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is ONGC with 1.36% up and Adani Ports with 0.95% up. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Coal India with 1.11% down and Infi with only 0.8% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this and also see the live trade what we do today. So guys, there is so much of advantages and benefits what you can get from angel broking. Okay, so there is a bit of an offer going on. Okay, so you guys can open the angel broking account by clicking the link in the description below of this video. So you get a free trading account. Okay, so when you use my link in the description below of the video and open an account with angel broking, you get absolute free trading account and there is lot of benefits what you get. The first thing is the brokerage is very less. Okay, and as you know, angel broking is a full-time broker with a lot of facilities what you get. Okay, and there's only rupees 20 per trade taken, and also you get one more good advantage, that is you get margins for your delivery trades. Yes, so whatever capital you have, you get up to 4 times for margin trading, that is for the holding trades you get up to 4 times margin. And once you open your account in angel broking by using the link in the description below of this video, you will be added to my private telegram channel where I share stock news and market facts and lot of interesting things. Okay, so if you guys want to be a part of my private telegram channel, you can open the link and sign up for an angel broking account, or if you have an angel broking account, you can use the Upstock account link which I've given. So you can open any of this both account, and once you open an account, message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen with the details and I'll be adding you to my private telegram channel. So make sure you get these benefits. So guys, right now I've selected Adani Ports to trade, so I shall buy this stock now in the market price in intraday market. Okay, around 5,000 quantity. So yes, we have bought it just now around 5715 and let's wait for the stock to go up. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, we have bought it now and we are holding the stock, and even if you can see at the top left side, the Nifty 50 value is ticking. So yes, the market is now down. Okay, it opened in a much of a gap section by making a new high, but it didn't sustain. So I don't think so it will sustain too, because you know a lot of sell-offs are coming. Okay, so it's a resistance level and a lot of sellings are happening, so that's why the market might not sustain. So even the stock what I'm trading right now, so I'll be targeting like almost 0.5% or up to maximum 1% of a target and exit soon, because other reports, as you know, it's a very volatile stock. You know, last week before or another week before, I saw like it fell 10% in a day and it recovered that same one. Okay, that means it gapped down almost 10% down, and in the same day it recovered that 10% and closed like 1 to 2% up. So that is the volatility level of Adani Ports. Okay, so when you're trading like this stocks, you have to be very careful. Okay, so if you guys want more volatility, you can pick stocks like this, like Adani Ports and all the things. Okay, or if you want a very smooth kind of, or only a little bit of volatility which are safer, then you can pick the stock from Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, so Yes, so it's like that. So Adani Ports is a very volatile stock. So you can see in this live trading, it may suddenly go up like 1% or 0.5%. That will be very normal for Adani Ports. And also you can see it's almost 700 rupees stock, 700 rupees stock. So the volatility is expected. So you guys can see, so within some time it might go up also. So 715 still, so I'm waiting for my stock to come up. So we'll see how much time it will take. So anyway, I bought it around some of a good level, around 715. It can go till 730 also according to my view, but that's okay. I'll exit soon. I'll book 0.5%, or if it's going more higher, I'll just book maximum of 1% and exit. Okay, so guys, let's wait. So 715 yet, it will take some time. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock made a high of 728 somewhere around there, and I took my exit around 722 and I booked my profit. Okay, so as I know, I entered somewhere around 715, so almost 1% of a target. So yes, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Adani Ports. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques, you can join us now. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.